Alright, so it's 11 p.m. We went to bed at like 8:30, 9 o'clock because, you know, we didn't sleep anything on the plane. So we get woke up by boom, 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 boom on our door. I woke up, I didn't know what was going on. I just ran and I opened the door. And as soon as I stepped towards the door, my foot went in like 3 inches of water. We're on the 5th floor. Somehow, and I didn't get up and do it. She didn't get up and do it.
You can blame me.
Nobody remembers getting up and turning, even using the water before we went to bed. But the faucet in the sink in the bathroom was all the way on. And somehow or another, the sink got clogged up. So the water had nowhere to go but into the bathroom, into our room, and into the hallway. So, we just got done cleaning that up with towels, or helping clean that up with towels. And so we've got our room dried off, and everyone seems to think it's okay, but they're in the hallway talking about us for the last 20 minutes. So we think we're probably going to get kicked out. I didn't turn the faucet on.
Somebody did.
So we did manage to go back to sleep after flooding the room in almost the entire hotel. So now we're up. It's 7:30. No, it's not. It's 6 o'clock. We're going to go to Bath, Stonehenge, and Windsor Castle. So that should be pretty awesome. That's what's left of our hallway flood last night. First stop is going to be Windsor Castle. They said that that's where the royal family lives. Buckingham Palace is their offices. This is their home. We're here with probably 50,000 more people, but we got here pretty early, so. Switch my camera angles because of the sun. Who would have thought you'd be in London and you'd have to worry about the sun? But it's out today. When that flag is flying, that means the Queen is here. So maybe we'll see her. Now we wait in line. Everybody wants to see the Queen. Got this cool thing here. I thought I was going to be able to kick out some cool facts, but it doesn't work. So I'm just going to make stuff up as we go along. gotta eat lunch because so Windsor Castle was cool, but now it's time to go to Stonehenge. So let's go do that.
Delicious sandwich.
And we went to eat to get a sandwich because it's gonna be a long day. Used to be able to walk into the center of it and see everything from the inside, but of course they had to shut that down in the 1970s because people kept trying to carve their name on the stones. I must say the blocks are a lot bigger than I thought they were. I mean, I knew they were huge, but 50 tons is kind of hard to really imagine what it is in a rock. But those things are the size of, best thing I can say is, I don't know, like a Suburban. They're huge. Just smile. I'm gonna get a couple different angles.
You gotta have to go left to get Stonehenge there. Okay.
I should be able to get something. Alright, we are at the last stop of the day. We're going to do a tour of Bath, which I did not know, but is actually older than Rome. So, first we're going to tour the Christmas village, which is very packed, so we have to stick close. But you can be a human snow globe.
Yeah, I just said that.
This thing's supposed to be like 2,000 years old. It's been built, abandoned, and finally restored to what it is today. You cannot touch the water because I hear that it is not safe to touch anymore, but it's hot. See the steam coming off of it? Somebody's gonna touch that water and I'm gonna get him on camera. Oh, he's gonna touch it. Bath is really cool. I think we got lucky because we're here at Christmas, so they got a whole lot more going on, but it still looks like a really cool city, so I would like to come hang out for a few days. Okay, so our flooded hotel still hasn't dried, and now they're calling us out. We still don't know how that happened.